There are no short-term trends in real estate. Better write that down, because you're going to be saying that to sellers. There are no short-term trends in real estate. So lately, the way the market is, I've been hearing fearless agents, my coaching students from all over Canada and America, telling me that the MLS stats say that the prices, the average or the median price, is 20% lower in the last 6 months than it was in the previous 6 months. So you have another 6 months of that, that's 40% lower. Pretty soon, things that go down in value the fastest, which would be luxury homes, it would be the outskirts of town, it would be multifamily, it would be condos. They will be selling at 50 cents on the dollar before you know it. I'm hearing this from everybody. Builders have quit building. The builders go out of business, so we've seen this movie before. But here's the moral of the story. There are no short-term trends in real estate. The market doesn't go up one year and down the next, and up the next year and down the next. No, it doesn't work that way. It goes down for 5, and it goes up for 10. And I was a real estate agent when it went down for 10, and then it went up for 15 or 20. That's the way it works. So if you have a seller that's saying, oh, we'll just wait till the market changes, no. Unless they're planning, let's say they say, we might want to wait until the market changes, then the question to ask them, is there any chance you would still be owning this house or living in this house 5 years from today? If their answer is no, then you do whatever it takes to get them to sell now, because they'll be glad they did, looking in the rearview mirror five years from today. There are several ways you can try Fearless Agent before you become a member. First, go to our website, fearlessagent.com, and go to the webinar in the upper right-hand corner in the banner. Click on that, watch that. It's about 45 minutes long. Take a bunch of notes. That's going to help you for sure. Number 2 would be watch all the videos on our website. Okay, there's lots of great training videos there. I guarantee you that's going to be better training for free than you would pay any other coach in America any amount of money for. That's our guarantee. And then the third thing is you can call me. There will be a no pressure, no closing you, free complimentary coaching call. And we'll just find out who you are. And once we know who you are, then of course it's all about your customers. So we'll do a good job of seeing if Fearless Agent is a good fit for you. If it is, you're going to get rich. If it's not, I'll still help you in any way I can, because the main thing is we want to make you a Fearless Agent. Thanks.